ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. It's a operating it's a operating cost. Before only going to problems you have to understanding the what the meaning of the operating costing already you know. Cost means what? Cost means that is expenses. That means cost means expenses you have to made in the operating. What? Understand? Please understand. Made consultation in the first. You have to understand the costing means that is the expenses. Costing means expenses. What expenses? That is very important. Operating means what here? Operating expenses means that is a operate means giving the services. Very important, keep in mind. Service rendered, that is the when you giving the services, the service to make the some expenses. That expenses is called as what? Operating expenses. Okay, understand? Operating expenses means there is a service rendered expenses is called as operating expenses. Yes, you have to go to the meaning of the meaning in Kannada. Yes, operate costing. Just you have to understand it in Kannada also. Cost means there is expense means ಖರ್ಚು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಖರ್ಚು ಎಂತ ಖರ್ಚು? ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇವೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ. ಏನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು? ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇವೆಗಳು. ಸೇವೆಗಳ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಿದೆ? ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್. Which type of industry is applicable? That is very important. We have to classify the industries in transport industries, and second one is transport industries, and second supply industries, and third one is welfare industries, and fourth one is that is very important is municipal. Yes, municipal corporate. These are the four types of the industries: transport industries, supply industries, welfare industries, and municipal industries. And first one is transport industry. Transport industry means bus, train, and aeroplane. This comes under transport industry. And supply, that is supply is very important. Supply means gas, water, and next is third stage, that is very important, electricity. Okay, electricity, that is very important. Everyone need the electricity for the running of their houses. And next, welfare industry. Welfare means that is a only hotels, hospitals, and etc. These comes under welfare industries. And municipal, as you know, the road construction, and then in municipal for conducting the Swachh Bharat. These also comes under municipal. Municipal means in a local language we have to use the for the service for the ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸೋದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ? ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಸ್ಸು, ಟ್ರೈನು, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ವಾಟರ್, ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದಿರುವ ಗಟ್ರು ಬೆಳೆದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ಟಿ ಏನೋ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ಎದುರಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ you have to, one second, you have to classify the operating costing means first one is transport, second one is supply, third one is welfare, and last one is municipal. And next you have to go to the next topic, that is very important, we have to understand how to calculate the expenses. How to calculate the expenses. In the expense, you have to go to the expenses classified in the three heads. First one is fixed head, fixed expenses, fixed expenses. Second one is maintenance, maintenance expenses, and lastly we have to add is, that is very important, that is the running expenses. All these three heads we have to calculate these operating expenses. At the next class we have to discuss the problems with the solution. Okay, thank you one and all. If you have doubts, you have to maintain in the comment box, and you have to make the suggestion for the how to improvement my channel. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe.